Rods and Rocks. Here we are, week 2 of our keto journey, and as always, we will be keeping it real.
Sure, right? Sharing the wins, the struggles, and everything in between.
First, a quick update on my hearing aids. Guys, here we are again.
Here we are.
To see how bad my ear is and see if they can give me any options here locally. After my hearing test and talking over the options, we decided to wait. We're sending my current ones back to the company in the States to see if repair makes more sense, or if it would be wiser to invest in a new system locally. So for now, patience. Energy-wise, I'll be honest, this week felt harder. Climbing the mountain took more out of me than usual. But that's part of this process. My body is still adjusting from burning carbs to learning how to run on fats. And that switch doesn't happen overnight. Keto report. Definitely my body is changing. My insulin resistance, and so I need to adapt again, and it's been one of the toughest climbs today. My stamina is not as good as it should be, but one step at a time. So thank God, I know those toxins are getting out of me. That's a good thing.
Yeah. What have you done lately to put your body under extreme stress?
It's weird because it's the same hike that we always do, but it's kicking my butt today.
Yeah, it's hot and muggy in here. There's no breeze. We have to get up over the last little bridge and then up to the road, and then it'll open up. From the walking trail is about 3 feet wide, and it's on the side of a hill in a ravine, so there's not much wind or breeze falling, but once we get to the road, then it opens up to a fire trail, a gravel fire trail.
It's definitely easier than this.
Oh yeah, this is hard.
This stretch right here.
Yeah. This is the warm-up for the last part, the last 2-3 kilometers. It's harder than this. The last part is straight up.
It was hard.
It was hard.
Now, one of my favorite parts, cooking. Cooking has always been like an art to me, and keto just gives me a new canvas to play with. I've been having so much fun creating dishes, trying new recipes, or modifying old ones. They really open so many creative doors. Like this recipe I tried with flavorless gelatin packed with collagen. Such an important boost for our new lifestyle. I'll admit, one of my worries was whether Randy would actually enjoy this way of eating. Do you approve? But seeing him dig into these meals and smile makes me so happy. When food is both healthy and delicious, it makes the journey a whole lot easier to stick with. Full of collagen is the healthiest gelatin you could ever have. It doesn't have any sugar, any artificial flavors. And look how pretty that is.
So what is it? It's clear gelatin and what's the flavor? Jamaica. So I thought I'd have two. The first one was so good.
So it passed Randy's test.
The scrutiny.
So good. Randy is very picky, you know.
I've been jonesing for something sweet for 5 days. My doctor encouraged me, scolded me, shared with me the news, and I know I have a choice.
It is a choice, really. Like every morning, every day, you need to have that in mind. You know, what am I going to do better today than yesterday? Mm-hmm. And thank God it's going, and I'm excited because my husband's in it. He was a little reluctant at first.
Much. A lot.
Very much. But you know what? I have proven him that you don't have to be hungry to eat this healthy. The only thing we do is we don't eat carbs, but we eat more of the things that we can eat. So we are eating plenty of protein and leafy greens and vegetables, and we're not hungry, really. I'm enjoying it. Collagen is one of the most important supplements that a human being can have. And all this is made with flavorless gelatin. It doesn't have any colors, any sugars in it. It's just flavorless and real collagen and healthy. Can't beat it.
Okay, so on the keto lifestyle, you want to make sure you get lots of vegetables. Try to do your best now, family. At least a cup or a cup and a half with every meal. You'll thank me later.
2 cups, actually.
Start with a cup and then go. Cornucopia of God's goodness from B to C to E. Bacon, chicken, and eggs.
Randy likes butter.
I do.
So, look at that beauty. Keto fried chicken made with almond meal. Bacon, of course. And this is an egg with cabbage and smothered on homemade mayonnaise. Yum. As for weight, no real changes yet, but that's expected. They say it takes around 3 weeks for your body to fully transition into fat burning mode, so I'm not discouraged. And then there's the curveball. I got hit with keto rash. Apparently it's rare, but lucky me, I've got it. Some say stopping keto would fix it, but no way. I'm not giving up right now. So that's our week 2 update. Less energy, some skin challenges, but also creative cooking, happy taste buds, and patience for the process. This is about long-term changes and not quick fixes.
All right, well, thanks for following along. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe so you can hear more about the great lifestyle, keto lifestyle, and the change in the upcoming episodes starting next week, week 3.
Please don't forget to like,
share,
and subscribe
to Roots, Ruts, and Rocks. We love you, family.